Friends, yesterday we discussed about the nearest number rounding of the tens, hundred, thousand, crores, and today we discuss about the expanding brackets. Expanding brackets. Okay? It means suppose you have to solve the number 107 into 5. So you can see here is 107, and how 107 makes 100 plus 7 makes a 107. So you can write as 107 into 5 is equal, in bracket you will write 100 plus 7 into 5. Okay. Now you can multiply with the 100 to 5. 100 5 times 500 plus 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Now your answer will 500 plus 35 is equal to 535. It is answer 535. Okay. In the same way, you can also do as another question. Suppose you have to solve 104 into 107. Okay. Now it is makes 100 plus 4. Okay. 100 plus 4 bracket close. It is make 100 plus 4 is equal to 104 into 100 plus 7 is equal to 107. Now what we do? 100 plus 4 in bracket and multiply by 100 plus, in the same way, 100 into plus 4 into 7. Okay. Now 100 into 100. This. Now 4 into 100 is equal to plus 400. 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. 4 into 100 is equal to 400. Now 100 is equal to 7. 700 plus 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Now here you are looking 10,000 plus 400 plus 700 plus 28. It will be 11,128. Okay. Once again, let's understand this. 104 into 107 is equal to, if you want to expand in the brackets, first you know very well 100 plus 4 makes a 104. 100 plus 4 makes a 104 into 100 plus 7 107. Now you can 100 plus 4 into, because there is a common in the 100, into 100 plus 4 into 7. Now you can multiply 100 into 100 10,000, 100 into 4 400, 100 into 7 700, 4 into 7 into is equal to 28. Now here are the both. It is the same, means you have to add it, 10,000 plus 400 plus 700 plus 28, and your answer is 11,128. In the same next procedure, yesterday we discussed about little Roman numeral, and today also we discuss about the Roman numerals, because yesterday was remain something, and your 1.6 exercise is Roman numerals. In previous classes, you already read about the how to write or read Roman numbers. You already know there are 7 basic Roman numerals in the Roman numerals. 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and you can also write M. Because K and M also stand for 1000. So it is the basic Roman numerals. There are 7 basic Roman. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and K stands for 1000. It is the basic Roman numeral. Okay? In the same way, you also read how can we write. There are some rules to write the Roman numerals. First you have to know we can't write more than 3 times any Roman numerals. Means X, X, X. It is 30. But if you want to write 40, we can't write 4 times because it is wrong. Because we can't write more than 3 times any Roman numeral. If you want to write 40, X and L, it is correct for 40. Okay? Another thing. Here are some common rules for writing Roman numeral. If you want to write any number like this, it is, I told you before, the basic about C stands for 100 and X stands for 10. So once you see here, the C is greater than the X. If we place the X after the any big number like a C, so it will be add. Now I can write here 110 because you have to know and pay attention here. If a bigger number placed before the smaller, it will be add. So C stands for 100 and X stands for 10. So 100 plus 10 makes a 110. In the same way, we write X or C. So it is 10 and C stands for 100. You can see here X is smaller than the C because X is 10 and C is 100. If X, any smaller number I place before the bigger number, it means the here subtraction. You can subtract C X from the C. It means 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So X C stands for 90. Okay? There are many rules in the Roman system. There are U, V, L, D. These Roman numerals we can't repeat. It means it can be write as only one time. It means only once. You can't write as VV for 10. It is incorrect. So, if you want to write 500 or 1000, for the 1000 Roman numeral stands K. But if you want to write 700, first you have to place D because D stands for 500 and you have to place C and C. 500 plus 600 plus 100. Yani 500, 100, 600 and plus 100, 700. And total, this is Roman system and this is, we know already, it is Hindu-Arabic system. Okay. You know very well how to add and subtract. And also in Roman numerals we can subtract from any number and we can also add, multiply. Many things you can do it. Suppose you have to minus x. It means it is sign of subtraction and this is 100 and 100. Both are 100. It means there are 200 and it is 20. It means 200 minus 20 is equal to 180. And now how to write 180 in the Roman system? So you have to write first 180. How to write 80? 50, 60, 70, 80. It is 180. Your answer is 200 minus 20 is equal to 180. In the same way, I am going to give you some homework and you have to solve at your home. So, okay? Okay? And I am giving you some homework like write the Roman numerals for each of the following. 95. So, first you write 90 and 5. It means X is V. 1600. First you write 1000 and add the 600. It means K, D and C. So and compare the using greater than or less than. Okay. C.
Okay.
And compare the following using greater than, less than or equal. You can here see Lx, Xc, which is greater, less than or equal, which you want to, which is correct for you. And here, which of the following are meaningless? It means there is no meaning. You have to find out which are incorrect. Like this and this. It is for you homework. Do at your home. Okay. Thank you.